Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Mehrotra. Children, today our topic in English grammar is about the sentence. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you what is a sentence. How we define a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words. There are some words in a in group and they are making a complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark, full stop or an exclamation mark. Yes, it always begins. When we write a sentence, it always begins with the capital letter. Like I have written A in capital. I have started the sentence with the capital letter. And it ends with the question mark or a full stop or an exclamation mark. Let us take some examples. For example, I need an umbrella. This is a complete sentence. It is starting with the capital letter and ending with the full stop. Number 2. Is it your pen? This is question mark. Starting with the capital letter, ending with the question mark. We go to the park every day. Starting with the capital letter and ending with the full stop. What a beautiful day it is. Ending with the exclamation mark and starting with the capital letter. These are 4 examples of the sentence which are making a complete sense. Let us also talk about the phrase, children. It is also a part of a sentence. What is a phrase? It is a group of words which make sense but not a complete sense. It is also a group of words which is making a sense but the sense is not complete. It is also a sentence but it is not making a complete sense. For example, in the meeting. This sentence is not giving us the complete information. In the meeting. What is in the meeting? We don't know. This is not a complete sentence. Number 2, outside the door. This is a phrase. Outside the door. These are the words which are making a sentence, but we are not getting the complete sense of this sentence. Outside the door, anything may be outside the door. Outside the door is not making a complete sense. Now, let us read these sentences. Number 1, please help me. Please pass me the book. These sentences are called request. These 2 sentences, we are requesting something. Please. Please is a word which is indicating request. These are called as the requesting sentences. Number 2, don't talk so loudly. This is one example. Second example, keep silent in the clinic. These sentences are called commands. Somebody is commanding. Don't talk so loudly. This is a command. So these sentences are called commands. What a wonderful car! Exclamation mark. This is showing some surprise, something amazing. What a marvelous sight! Exclamation mark. These sentences are called as exclamations. So, children, I hope this topic of sentence is clear to you all. Make the notes for the same and do write in the comment box and have a great day. Bye.